kitchen sink faucet high arc rose gold single-handled pull-down sprayer with Escutcheon Peppermint. The last option on the list of the top faucets that you can buy to install with your farmhouse-style kitchen sink is the kitchen sink faucet high arc rose gold single-handled pull-down sprayer with Escutcheon Peppermint. The product is designed by a trusted brand that specializes in a variety of related products. The faucet comes at a very affordable price and comes in two beautiful colors that will perfectly fit into your kitchen when combined with a modern farmhouse sink. These two colors include the default Macaroon Golden Bronze option, as well as a second option that features a silver color. The faucet is relatively tall and made from lead-free material, which means that it's much safer compared to some of the other faucets that you'll find on the market today. It can be installed through either a single hole or through 3 holes depending on the design of your water supply in your kitchen. Another beneficial feature of this faucet is that the package comes with all the accessories that you need to install in your kitchen. This reduces the extra expenses on your side and gets the faucet installed and operational. The package also includes a deck plate along with 2 fitting hoses that can be useful to add additional functionality to the faucet.